It's a life or death situation, P.
See my old house over here.
Forwards or backwards?
Forwards.
Superman.
What are you going to do then? Mind your hands. No, wait. Mind your hands. What you're going to do is come towards the edge. Alright? Yeah, don't worry about that. Stand up nice and straight. Just put your hands straight out in front of you, away from the side, so then you're not going to grab onto anything. No. Hands out in front of you, middle. Go on. Hands out in the middle. Push me out. Okay. No. Listen to me, right? Stand up straight. As I'm pushing your arms are coming back here. What you're going to do, you grab onto this, swing sideways at the crane, and you can stretch out as far as you can.
Oh, like that?
Yeah, go on. Behind you now, mate. Behind you. Put behind you.
Fair play. Well done, P.
Who's he tossing you?